Hey everyone, in today's video, I quickly want to discuss what's the timeline been like for the Capgemini hiring process for this 2024 season. So, the very first intimation to us was on 30/9/2024. We had received a mail from college and we had been shared the registration link along with all the details for the post as well as the assessments that we'll have to go through. Then our first test, which was a combination of technical MCQ based round, essay writing, and game based aptitude, was conducted on 16/10/2024 9 a.m. So this happens in one sitting. We first start off with technical MCQ based round. In technical MCQ based round, I think so it's divided into two parts. We'll be discussing more in details about these three rounds in the later video. But to give you a gist of it, if you clear the technical MCQ based round, then you will go for essay writing round. If you clear essay writing round, then you will go for game based aptitude. So it's a eliminate all the rounds are elimination based rounds. All right. This was conducted in one sitting for me from 9 a.m. Then we had two batches in our college. One was supposed to be conducted at 9 a.m. One was supposed to be conducted at 1:30 p.m. So once all the rounds are conducted, the results for the game-based aptitude weren't declared instantly. For the remaining two rounds, you get the results instantly if you will be proceeding to the next round or not. But for game-based aptitude, they hold back the results. Now, when both of the sessions are done with, they compile the results from the game-based aptitude and shortlist the students from that. So this shortlist of the students who will be appearing for coding round was announced at same day on 16/10/24 at the 5 p.m. When we received the announcement, as soon as we received the announcement, we had to proceed to a lab where we had been allocated a computer PC, uh, which had done all the system checks and stuff, and we had to log into our superset portal where we had to give the coding exam. Now, coding exam we'll be discussing again in depth in a separate video. But yeah, in summary, you get two questions. You have to try to solve those in 45 minutes. Then the next day are spoken vocabulary AR. I don't remember the full form, but it's basically a test of how well, how fluent you are with English language at both listening as well as speaking in it. So yeah, that was done. There is no time bound to it. We had been given the entirety of the day from I guess 12 p.m. to 11:59 uh yeah 11:59 p.m. Basically 12-hour time slot, and this test lasts around, I would say, not more than 10-15 minutes. So yeah, that was that. Finally, the technical interview round was conducted on 20/11/24. There, if you notice, there is a big gap in between, and we have yet to receive any illumination about when the HR interview will be conducted. But yeah, this has been the timeline so far. It started from 39, and the last round was conducted on 2011. So the process stretches out a bit, as we can see over here. But with things like this, you have to be patient, right? I hope you found this video helpful. You can go ahead and refer to this playlist itself over here if you want to know more about this Capgemini interview process. And I hope you prepare and crack this interview or any of the rounds you are preparing for. Best of luck. And for more content like this, please like, share, subscribe to my channel so you get the update whenever I post video related to these upcoming rounds. Alright, see ya. Bye.